Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
If there's one luxury product everyone should try at least once in their lives, it's a bidet. Yes, it might be a little awkward the first few times you use one, but trust, bidets are totally worth it. The experience is like freshening up without having to actually jump in the shower. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of bidet attachment for toilet on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
With only 0.28 inches ultraslim bidet, the height of toilet remains the same after installation, fully fits to the lid. Bidet helps you clean your butt with gentler, efficient water squirts, which saves you from risks of various infections. Our bidet is made of high-quality ABS material and solid metal parts for more durability. Dual nozzle design meets people's daily cleaning needs. Feminine mode for women's private, posterior mode for men and women. The feminine nozzle is a softer and gentler, it's ideal for pregnant women. The classic 2-switch design with independent water pressure control and mode switch knobs, it's more convenient to use. You can adjust the bidet to your preferred water pressure for maximum comfort. In addition, the nozzle has angle control and self-cleaning mode, which is convenient for the disabled, pregnant women, the elderly, men, and children to use it. Using the bidet attachment can replace and reduce the use of traditional toilet paper, no need of electricity, avoid electric shock accident, cut emissions and electricity bills, effectively avoiding paper friction, protect fragile skin, and bring you a milder and more hygienic experience. Non-electricity design can save a lot of electricity bills, perfect for men, women, new and old moms. The bidet attachment for toilet comes with all the premium components and instructions needed for installation, compatible with most toilets. No need to hire a plumber or handyman. This bidet for a toilet can be installed in under 10 minutes with no tools required. Everything you need to install is included.
Number 2.
This non-electric bidet features dual nozzles for thorough posterior and feminine wash. Its easy-to-use control knob lets you adjust the water pressure to get the ideal stream. The streamlined, sleek bidet is designed to fit your existing toilet seat. To ensure hygiene, the bidet attachment comes with a self-cleaning nozzle mechanism for before and after use. Plus, it automatically retracts behind the guard gate once you're done, to keep it as clean as possible. Our easy-to-install advanced bidet readily fits most standard toilet seats. Simply unscrew the toilet seat, fit your bidet attachment, place the seat back, and you are good to go. The body of the bidet toilet is made of an eco-friendly ABS material, while the accessories include a stainless steel T-valve and a braided steel water hose. This bidet is constructed for durability and long-term use.
Number 3.
This SAMODRA bidet attachment is constructed with durable ABS material, portable control panel, high-pressure faucet quality valves with metal/ceramic core, brass T adapter, braided steel cold water hose instead of traditional plastics. Dual spray nozzles. Bidet attachment features dual nozzles for 2 spray modes, front cleaning for women's private, rear cleaning for men and women. SAMODRA upgrades knob switch to button design for easier to switch between patterns. Highly sanitary protection. Self-cleaning feature cleaning the nozzles thoroughly. Telescopic nozzles automatically retract behind the convenient and movable guard gate for maximum protection and easy maintenance. Give you double sanitary guarantee. Adjustable water spray. Water pressure control knob allow you to adjust water pressure to create an experience that blends comfort and ease of use. Enjoy a perfect healthy life. Elderly and children can also easily use bidets to get ideal intensity. Easy to install. Non-electronic bidet with high-grade accessories, compatible with most toilets. Easy installation into your standard 2-piece toilet in minutes without plumbers. Say goodbye to toilet paper and greet a cleaner, healthier lifestyle now.
Number 4.
Treat yourself to the ultimate bathroom upgrade with the Bliss BB 2000 bidet with dryer, available for round and elongated toilets. A soothing blue nightlight will guide you in the dark. Sit down to a comfortable heated seat with adjustable temperature controls. The slow close lid and powerful deodorizer add to the tranquility of your retreat. Customize the water temperature, water pressure, and nozzle position with the wireless remote. Enjoy the ambient water temperature. Personalize your wash for women, for men, gentle child wash, high pressure vortex wash or exclusive hydro flush. The gentle massage feature is great for soothing postpartum care and hemorrhoid treatment. Front and back cleansing are possible with the auto-retracting, self-cleaning, stainless steel 3-in-1 nozzle. Follow cleansing with a comforting warm air dry.
Number 5.
With a sleek design and high-quality parts, our bidet attachment will give your bathroom a next-level look. Constructed with high-pressure valves with metal/ceramic cores and steel hoses instead of plastic. Hygienic nozzle guard gate shields the nozzle for your ultimate sanitary experience. The nozzle automatically retracts behind the guard gate after each wash to ensure it is protected until your next use. Have fun doing IT yourself. Includes all parts and tools to get your bidet up and running in minutes. Easily attaches to and detaches from any standard 2-piece toilet. Environmentally friendly, worthwhile investment, save money and trees on toilet paper. Cleaning with our bidet is gentle on your skin and sustainable for the planet.